Hedgehog, do you like my bike? Hello, Hedgehog, do you like my bike? Lost helmet. I have a new bike. I cannot wait to ride. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to ride it. Now, where did I put my bike helmet? I must find it. I cannot ride my bike without it. It is not on my coat rack. It 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 is not in my closet. It is not under my bed. It is not in the flower pot. It is not in the freezer. It is not anywhere. My helmet is lost. I cannot ride my bike today. Now I remember. I left my helmet on the seat of my bike, so I would not forget where it was. New bike. Ring 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 ring. Munch munch. Is that Hedgehog? It is Hedgehog. He is riding a bike. He is coming this way. He is coming this way fast. He is coming this way too fast. Hello, Harry. Ring ring. Ring 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 ring. Hello, Hedgehog. What do you think of my new bike? I think it is fast. I tried. Oh, sorry. I tried to warn you with my bell. Isn't this the best bike you have ever seen? It has a basket. It has a soft yellow seat. It's a nice bike. It is a nice bike pala. Thank you. Would you like to ride my bike, Harry? No. You just got this bike. You should ride it. It is okay. I do not mind sharing. I do not have a helmet. You can use my helmet. It will not fit me. Oh, go get your helmet. Then you can ride my bike. It will take too long to go to my house. It will not. I can see your house from here. I might have lost my helmet. You lost your helmet? I might have. I think you do not like my bike. No, Hedgehog, I do like your bike. Then how come you will not ride it? I will show you. Wait. sigh. Ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring. Hurry, hurry. You bought your own bike. We can ride together. Oh, you have training wheels. Yes, I cannot ride without them yet. So that is why you would not ride my bike. It is hard to ride a bike without training wheels. You will learn when you are ready. We can still ride together. Let's go. You will not feel silly riding with me? Of course not. You will not go too fast. I will not go too fast. Thank you, Hedgehog. You are welcome, Harry. Come on, let's ride. You will not ring the bell too much, will you? I cannot promise that. Ring, 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 ring. Snacks. Where should we go? We should ride to my house. Are there snacks at your house? Yes. We should ride to your house. Let's go. Ring, ring. Ring, 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 ring. That was a good bike ride. Yes, it was a good ride. The ride has made me tired. The ride has made me hungry. Oh, right. The snacks. I will go get us something to eat. Good idea. What snacks should I bring? Should I bring grapes? Should I bring fruit cups? Should I bring yogurt? I cannot decide. I did not know what you would like, Harry. So I brought everything. Everything my favorite. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Munch, munch, munch. That was a big snack. After a big snack, I like to go for a walk. I think I am too full for walking. I have an idea. Hooray for extra wheels and for good friends. About the author. Norm Feuti lives in Massachusetts with his family, a dog, two cats, and a guinea pig. He is the creator of the newspaper comic strips, Retail and Gil and Gil. He is also the author and illustrator of the graphic novel series Big and Ollie. Hello Hedgehog is Norm's first early readers series. How many Hello Hedgehog books do you read?